Yes, good morning, students. Yes, good morning. As of now, 29 people have joined. So we'll start the class. Huh? Yes, good morning. Can anyone we had discussed in the last class?
Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma.
About the scope of production management, ma'am, we discussed in previous class.
Okay.
There are 8 types, ma'am. Location of facilities, plant layout and material handling, product design, process design, production planning and controlling, quality control, material handling, maintenance management.
Okay, good. Regilan, can you tell me any one point under scope of production management? Regilan, do you remember any one point? Can you say it? Could you please turn on your video?
Ma'am, yesterday I was absent, ma'am.
Why you were absent yesterday? Why? What is the reason?
Ma'am, I'm sleeping, ma'am.
Don't say blame excuses, okay? See, we are taking online classes for the students' sake only. So hereafter, you should not fail to attend any classes. You must attend all the classes, okay, Regilan?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay, any other answers? Could you please type in the chat box? Okay, what are the things that you have learned from the previous class? What are the points you remember? You can type in the chat box, or if you want, you can say through the mic. Yes. If you want, you can type in the chat box. Okay. Scope of production management. Wait, I'll show you. So under that, location of facilities. Yes, good, Puviyarasan. Then what are the points you remember? Plant layout and material handling. So why production management is important? So that you need to maintain location of facility, plant layout and material handling, product design is good. Then that's all. Okay. So we'll move on to the today's class. What is the next topic that we are going to discuss today? Any guesses? Have you seen your syllabus? What will be your next topic? Any guesses? Okay, I'll summarize very fast. So, course objectives, units, your syllabus, course outcome, then your production system, then meaning of production system, productivity, and production management, what it is and definition, objectives of production management, and functions of production management we discussed so far, and scope of production management. So this is what the previous class we had discussed. No, location of facility, plant layout and material handling, product design, process design, production planning and control, quality control, material management, and maintenance management. Okay. And today we are going to discuss about production and other functional areas. So what are the functional departments in an organization? What are the departments are available for in our institute, in our Don Bosco College? What are the departments that are available? How many departments we may have? Can anyone please turn on your mic and say how many departments our college will have? Can you tell me the name of the departments? How many departments are there?
6.
6 departments. Yes. What are the departments?
BBA, BCA, BA.
A little bit louder, ma. Little bit louder. BBA, BCom,
BCA, BCom, BA,
BCom. Then
BA, yes, ma'am. MA,
MA, that is speech department. Hmm. Any other people wants to say the answer? You can turn on your mic and say. He had listed it BBA, BCom, BCA, three departments. Yes, he had said. And what about the rest of the three departments?
No, English department, math department, CS department.
English, Maths, CS. Okay, good. So totally we may have 6 departments in our college. So similarly, in every organization, they may have 5 functional departments, namely production department, marketing department, human resource management department, then finance department and accounting department. Yes, you can draw this diagram. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Please make a note of this diagram. Everybody's having note and pen with you. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can copy it. Production and other functional areas. Write the heading and draw this diagram. It is very, very important. And this question also, from your university point of view, this is one of the university repeated 10-mark question. So I request all the students, please copy this diagram. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Is this visible to you or I want to make it zoom? Is this visible? Can someone please say?
Ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Okay. Did you finish? Yes, did you finish all of you? Say yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Yes. Did you finish now? In which point are you writing? Students? Hello? Students, are you there?
Production operation, ma'am.
Production or operations? Yes. The last one, no? Yes. Make it fast. Okay. Can someone read what is production or operations? Production or operations? Read that box. What are the points that are available under production or operations? Anyone, could you please read it? Yes, now you can read it. Production or operations? Yes. Can someone read this box?
Production or operations, manufacturing resources planning, manufacturing execution system, process control.
Okay, good. So here production or operations. So in production department, what are the major activities that could be taken place in the sense manufacturing, resource planning, and manufacturing execution system and process control. So in this case, the production management, what is the duty of production manager? He has to purchase the resources, he has to plan about the resources for the organization. And execution system, whatever he has planned, based on the plan, he must implement it into the action one. For example, in this month, the production manager can have the target of purchasing 100 units of raw material for the production department. So he must make 100 unit of purchasing the raw materials. That is what the plan. And execution system, in the sense, whatever he has planned, based on the plan, he has to purchase 100 units exactly. That is what execution system. And process control, if he wants to change any process which converts the input into output, he can make changes. Otherwise, the same process could be carried for the all the products which are manufactured by the organization. So these are the activities that could be taken place by production operations. So without production management, all other department could not be functioned properly. Let's see what will be the relationship between production and marketing. Yes. Can someone read marketing? Can someone read this box? Marketing.
Customer relationship management.
Good. Next one.
Interactive marketing. Salesforce automation.
Okay. Yes, good. So once the raw material has been purchased and start manufacturing the product and start controlling the process, then automatically products can be sent to the market department. So what is the duty of marketing manager? He has to maintain the relationship between management and the customer, organization and the customer. So here customer relationship management. So in this case, if there is any offers or if there is any discount prices should be available for the particular product, he has to start communicating the information to the customers. That is what customer relationship management. So as a marketing manager, he must engage the customer for longer period of time. And interactive marketing in the sense regarding products, people may have any doubts or any doesn't have any awareness about the product features, then automatically they can give demonstrations to the customers so that they can ask doubts, queries to the marketing manager. He has to start explaining the queries of the customers who are raised the questions. And Salesforce automation. Salesforce is nothing but the sales representative. So you have seen many sales representatives who have come to a home and they may say much information about the product and he has to make sales of a particular product. Okay. And Salesforce automation in the sense, so once the marketing manager has created the relationship between organization and the customer, then he has to start interacting the customers, and he has to fix the sales representative for promoting the products into the sales and in order to make a profit. So once the production gets over, then automatically marketing department will start functioning their activities. So that is what the relationship between production department and marketing department. And next one is human resource management. Yes, can someone read human resource management? Yes. Anyone?
Compensation analysis, employee skills inventory, personal requirements forecasting.
Okay, good. So human resource management, so has the name itself, the department itself, it is staffing function of every organizational management. So in this case, what is the relationship between production and human resource management? So once production can be started, they need human beings, they need employees to process the products. Okay, that's why they have to recruit human being for the production department, and by make use of this staffing function, and all the products will be manufactured. So here compensation analysis. So compensation in the sense how many hours the employee has been worked. For example, Monday to Saturday will be the working hours for every employee. If there is any shift, a morning shift, day shift, and night shift, from Monday to Saturday, day shifts will be the employee has to engage. Manager has to give 1 day leave to the employee. By the next week, he has to change the shift timing. Okay, and whatever. For example, by this month, everybody's some of the members are working in day shift, and by the next month, the same member will be working under night shift. So this kind of compensation can be given to the employee. The HR manager, human resource manager, has to treat all the employee in an equal manner, and he has to suggest how many leave skills they may avail based on the leave skills, and for the extra work, for the extra salary, they need to pay to the employees. That is what compensation analysis. Whereas employee skills inventory, so employee skills in the inventory, in the sense how many skills the employee should have. The organization should make use of the skills. Based on the skills, talents, and experience, they may start paying the salary to them. Okay. And personal requirements forecasting. So how many human beings are required for production department? For example, by making products, they need 32 people. So they have to communicate that information to the HR manager. Production manager has to ask the human beings from the human resource department manager, and HR manager has to conduct interview, and he has to select the right person for the right job at the right time, and they have to start sending human resources to the production department. So that is a relationship between production and human resource management. And next one is finance department. Is anyone can read finance?
Finance department, cash management, credit management, investment management, capital budgeting, financial forecasting.
Okay, good. So in this case, finance department, what will be the relationship between production and finance? So how many products that they wanted to manufacture? The finance department, the finance manager has to allocate funds to the production department so that they can make purchase of raw materials to the organization. So here cash management, handling cashes can comes under finance department, and credit management, in which suppliers, they may have credit system. They can start consuming the raw materials on a basis of credit system. And investment and management. So apart from this organization, how the funds could be managed? Either they wanted to, maintain the same thing, or they want to invest into some other business. They have to decide it. Finance manager along with the top management people, they will discuss each other. Okay, so that is a relationship between production and finance. And capital budgeting. So the production manager has to make a budget that how much expenses that we are going to make for this year. Start your make this make use of the resources for 1 year, that he has to create a budget, and he has to send it to the finance manager, and finance manager has to sanction the funds which will be asked by the production manager. And financial forecasting in the sense, in this year our investments will be of 10 lakhs. By the next year, what is going to be the investment based on the resources consumption, based on the machineries installed, and based on the human resources recruited. And the financial forecasting can be done by the finance manager. So that is the relationship between production department and finance department. And the next one is accounting department. Is anyone? Can you read accounting? Anyone from the boys' side? Can you read accounting? Accounting.
Order processing,
Order processing.
inventory control, accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, general ledger.
General ledger, good. So in accounting department, so there is much interaction between production and accounting department. So in this case, order processing. So whatever the orders, for example, they ordered 100 units of raw material from the supplier. So that sheet, that details can be maintained in the accounts department. That is what order processing. And how many orders can be placed by the customer, that is also tracked by the accounting department, because they will compare with expenses, whatever the expenses incurred by the organization, and they will compare with the customer's order processing. So if it is matched with each other, so that amounts can be equalized. Otherwise, they have to find out where there is a differences between the two. They have to find out and they have to rectify it. And inventory control, as I said, no, for keeping of stocks, it is said to be inventory. So finished products inventory could be maintained separately, and the raw materials inventory can be maintained separately, and that details can be maintained by the accounts department. And next one is accounts receivable. So accounts receivable in the sense how much of cash can be received as an organizational expenses. That is what we are going to maintain as a separate account. And accounts payable. So to whom we are paying the expenses. For example, supplier, we need to pay money to supplier, and we purchased machinery from one organization, so we need to pay money to them. So these bills and these accounting informations can be credited, debited, can be maintained in the accounts department. And payroll in the sense how many employees are working, and how many for each employee, what is the salary package that they should offer, along with the employee signature, that must be tracked. And general ledger, so in this ledger it's nothing but books of accounts. So in the books of accounts, all the while studying financial accounting by this semester, you may able to know what are the general ledgers that could be followed by accounts department. Maybe purchase book can be maintained separately, sales book, purchase return, sales return, and cash book. So generally 5 books can be comes under the general ledger, and this could be maintained by the accounts department. So when there is a relationship between production and operation, so production manager has to list out how many things required to manufacture the product. Based on that, accounts department can record all the transactions, whatever they bought and whatever they sold. They should start recording on it. In future, it can be used for the auditing purposes. So this is what your production and other functional areas. So with this, I'll stop. Do you have any? If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Students, do you have any doubts, you can ask now. Or you can type in the chat box. Any queries, any doubts, or any clarifications you want to know, you can type in the chat box. See, I need your active participation, please. Arukiraj has no doubt, okay. Jyoti, no doubt. Okay, anyone? Can anyone summarize what you have learned today? What you have learned today? Can anyone summarize today's class quickly? Anyone from the boys' side? Can you summarize quickly what we had discussed so far? Boys? Regilan? Regilan, are you here, Regilan? Regilan? VRSN, functional business system. Okay, good. Arokiraj, functional business system. I want Regilan to speak. Regilan?
Ma'am?
Today you are present, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And then what you have learned today? What are the topics that we had discussed today? Can you say something about the topic? What you have learned? Tell me, Regilan.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay. Have you copied the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can refer and tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Marketing.
What is the main heading that we had discussed, Pa? What is the topic today?
Production and other financial.
Production with other functional areas. Okay, good. Now tell me what we had discussed under that.
Your six management, ma'am.
6 departments we may have. Okay. What are the departments?
Marketing. Ma'am, tomorrow I will be.
Wait. I'll show the slide. You just say, Wait. Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can read. Now you can tell me. Now you can tell me what are the departments that we may see today. Can you able to see my screen, Regilan?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me what are the departments that we can see.
சின்னதா தெரியுது ma'am.
I'll zoom it, right? So you didn't copy, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
It's okay. Now, is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can tell me.
Marketing, human resource of management.
Then,
like
Regilan, little bit louder, Regilan. Human resource management. Then, what is next?
Production management, ma'am.
Production management. Okay.
Marketing.
Marketing. Then,
cash management.
Hey, finance department. I'm
finance department.
Finance department. Then, what is next? You didn't attend today's class, Regilan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now I understood. What is your problem? While you're listening, there is you will learn much, you will say much. Why you didn't attend, Regilan? You came, no? Why you didn't attend? Okay, from tomorrow on, try to be available. Your active participation must be required for the online classes. Okay, so I'll recall. Anyone from the boys side? Do you want to say the today's summaries? Do you want to say the answers? What we had discussed and what you have learned today? Anyone from the boys side? No one. Murlidharan, are you there? Murlidharan,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me what you have learned today, Murlidharan?
Ma'am, production and other function area, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Marketing,
Hmm.
human resource management,
Hmm.
finance management,
Hmm.
accounting,
Hmm.
production operation.
Okay, then what is the relationship between production department and human resource department? Could you say any one relationship between the two departments? How the production manager can have the relationship with the human resource manage department?
As
How these two departments are functioned in an organization? If you want to say in Tamil, you can say in Tamil, or if you want to say in English, you can say in English. What is the relationship between production and human resource department?
from
You just
tomorrow, sir.
you just see this box, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. You just think and tell Muralidharan. Imagine you are a production manager, okay, and Reginald will be human resource manager. So how you need help from HR department? Hmm? Yes, Muralidharan. Okay, I'll tell you, Murli, on nothing. Just listen. See, production manager can have the relationship with the HR department, and how many human resources required to make products that they have to get information that they have to inform to the HR department. And HR manager, he has to start recruiting the employee for production department. So that is the ultimate duty between production and human resource management. Okay. So while next class onwards, you just listen actively. If you have any doubts during the classes, you can ask the doubts. Okay. Okay, Murli, is it okay for you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay. Any other doubts do you have? Shall we close today? Okay. Okay. Thank you, students.